So last week I asked you on YouTube, what video do you want? And you were like, how to hyperpop, how to hyperpop, how to hyperpop, how to hyperpop. And I'm like, listen, shit, I have no idea how to make hyperpop. So how am I supposed to make it? Poop it out? So, but then I thought, I don't need to know how to make hyperpop in order to make hyperpop. So how about we just make hyperpop without knowing how to make hyperpop? Huh? So, I have no literal idea what is the genre, what is it all about, what it sounds like. Is this cool? Is this trash? Is it bangers or is it not bangers? When I think about hyper people, those are usually people who piss me off. Random burst of energy at 2 AM. Okay, check this out. There's like trap, there's like future bass, there's like K-pop in it, there's like some 90s style synthwave. Like, what is hyperpop? What is hyperpop? Sometimes called a digicore, is a loosely defined music movement that tells me nothing. Synth melodies, auto-tune, in-warm vocals, and excessive compression and distortion. Okay, I kinda get that. So like a combination of these ones, but kinda like going into the direction of penis music, but not actually penis music, but kinda like on the edge of cringe, including Sophie. Well, how Sophie hyperpop? What are you talking about? What do you wanted me to make? Well, how about I type hyperpop? Oh, that's hyperpop.
I get lots of cuties when I show off my two-piece. Lots of fake chicks try to act like they love me.
Okay, this is gonna be awful.
I get lots of...
Listen, if this messes up with my head, you guys are all responsible and you're gonna pay for my hospital bill and for my psychiatrist bill.
I get lots of cuties when I show off my two... I get lots of cuties when I show off my two-piece. Lots of fake chicks.
Wikipedia said like OTT.
I get lots of cuties when I show off my two-piece. Lots of fake chicks try to act...
Wikipedia said like put a shit ton of auto-tune on it.
I get lots of cuties when I show off my two-piece. Lots of...
Okay, hyperpop likes kicks. Just assuming, I don't know.
my two-piece. Lots of fake chicks try to act like they...
Do we add clap?
Lots of fake chicks try to act like they...
Loud one. Quieter one. Tut 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 tut. Tut 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 tut.
I get lots of cuties when I show off my two-piece. Lots of fake chicks try to
Add maybe an open hat as well.
kiss like 'em wish they had the two-piece. I get lots of cuties when I show off a piece. A two-piece.
Maybe do some filtering also.
Two-piece. A two-piece.
I want some transient shaping onto this.
Two-piece. A two-piece. Two-piece.
But OTT.
Two-piece. Two-piece. Two-piece.
Reverb.
Two-piece.
So this kick, reverse it before this drop.
I get lots of cuties when I show
Pop, pop.
like 'em wish they had the two.
Make this one quieter.
Wish they had the two.
Like that, We can do some left-right automation. So this one on the left side and this one on the right side, just to make it like more interesting. So I made a rack. Let me see if this is gonna work. I made a rack that crystallizes your sound. Take that EQ here, I guess. That's kind of cool, like a breathing, moving element. That's cool. That sucks so much, but it's so funny. Okay, what do we add more? Like, we need some melodic elements, right? Sugary pop thingy. Stop ringing! What we need? Like an arm or something? How am I supposed to know? Yeah, okay, let's try this one. So then we're gonna duplicate that. Oh, but of course we need to process it, right? So like... Dude, that actually sounds good. We need to put OTT on the bass, right? Put thermal on it. Oh, I know what. Take that guy, pitch it down. Ah, why not? Put some Haas effect on it. Or like I like to call it, Haas. Can I distort this? Yeah, I also wanted to put formants down here. There we go. Okay, change this. Okay, but then put this one here. Okay, so we can, I guess, tease it here. And a smile. And then we go 0 here, right? If I make a build up here. What the hell? I wanted to make a chord progression. Yeah, we can totally make this open here. Fade it out then. Yeah. Yep. Man, those fake chicks. Damn, not the fake chicks, man. Everything but not the fake chicks, man. Okay, so put some 808 here. So, because like crazy vibes, right? We need to make a glide. And then we go. That's so good. Oh, it's actually really fucking cool. I can loop this though, let's see. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's pretty good. Add some decapitator. That's cool, and I wanna add some reverb. What? You adding reverb to 808? Are you nuts? Well, check this out. So you have the high ones. Just do this, and they are high. They're not bassy anymore. That's pretty good. Open here. Oh, this can be really sick switch up. So stop time, start time 0. So we stop it like that, and we go back to 0 to 100. We get like a laser at the beginning that slows down. Let me see if I can make a drum fill. Oh! Oh, and there's a reverse kick. No, but I'm gonna utilize it. Copy, duplicate. Yeah, like this part, but I need to do this. Right? Should work. Okay, we need to put a fill here. Let's go like that. If I do this. So this is like a kind of tonal thing. So use a frequency shifter. Put it down. No, it's not tonal anymore. Can delete the low end. Put some tonal on it. Yeah. That's nice. Oh, you know what? I want to try something because I have a wrap that adds like a white noise on top. Okay, so we need to turn off some stuff. So I'm adding noise with the texture. From this into this. Much cooler. Like cleaner, like blends better. Okay, that's cool. We can speed this up. So let's do the beginning fast. And this. Oh! I feel like we need something here. You can just take that. Okay, so we need the transition here as well, so take this guy. Okay, get rid of this. There's no... Wait. Oh, there's no sidechain. Okay, that's pretty beefy, not gonna lie. Let's take a listen. That's actually really good. You know, I was laughing at this hyperpop, saying it's cringe, but at the end of the day, I kind of like it. It's not as good as penis music, duh, but it's pretty good. So what I want to try is I want to pitch this up. Okay, that's actually fire as hell. This part is so good. Let's slow it down now. Oh! Okay, this is honestly really good. I think the lower in pitch version is better. Yeah, if I'm listening to this playlist on YouTube, I think this song would fit there. So I think I nailed the style, but you let me know in the comments, because I don't know hyperpop. Today is the first time I'm listening to it, and I think I did it right, but maybe I didn't. So as always, I hope this video you were enjoying, and hope this was useful. If you're looking for quality samples and presets, you can check out oversampled.us. There will be a cinematic pack releasing in a couple of days. If you're looking for plugins, plugins.oversampled.us. And that's it. Have a great day, and see you soon.
I get lots of cuties when I show off my